Sorry. Let's go.
Ow!
Sorry, you okay? You're fine. Come on.
Oh!
Easy.
What happened, ma?
Sorry. Sorry.
Sorry. What happened?
I sprained my ankle at the gym and this gentleman here was kind enough to bring me, to help me home.
Oh, so sorry.
You're saying sorry? Are you not smart enough to at least greet him?
Sorry, sir. Good day, sir.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine.
It's okay, so let's go inside.
I don't, no, I don't think I can even move my legs.
Okay, so should I back you? Right?
I can't get on your back. Maybe you should just lift me up. Yes, jack me. Ow!
Alright, sorry, I'll do that. So, okay. Alright, so close the door.
Sorry, ma.
Thank you.
A fist of ore. Do you really wanna play this dirty game? I give you my battle. My body. One ledger.
Sorry, okay?
Sonia. Hey, what happened?
Alright, so
Ow!
What happened?
Ow, my leg.
I'm sorry.
you'll be fine.
What happened to you?
I strained my ankle at the gym. My God.
I hope it's not that bad.
Mr. Ali here says that it's not. He was there when it happened and thank God that he was present. He took care of everything. He's a body masseuse. And Andy, these are my friends.
Hi.
Yvonne and Trisha.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi. Hello. Thank you so much, sir, for helping her out. Thank
It's
you.
okay. It's fine.
Such an angel. Sorry.
Like I said, the pain will subside within the next 24 hours. Alright? And then, as much as possible, refrain from stressing the leg by either standing or exerting pressure on it. And then later in the evening, you can gradually start some physiotherapy. Okay? By doing the subtle movement I taught you back in the gym.
Okay, sir.
Listen, one at a time. Okay?
Wow. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Sorry.
Okay, that's fine. So, let me take my leave now.
Oh, you leave? Please, you can't leave like that. Can you please sit so we can get you something to drink or eat or, you know?
No. That will always be a mess night. So, hey, you'll be fine.
Can you just take a look at the leg for a minute?
Yeah. You'll be fine, okay? Alright then. Bye. Have a good day, everyone.
Alright, bye.
Hey, sorry. You shouldn't be wearing this now. Let me help you.
Jane, you know the
Sit down. Sit down.
Shouldn't you just injured?
No be
Let's
person
get
wey
rid
I
of
leg
the
dey
table.
pain.
I don't tire. I don't give up. I know the fear.
Wait.
What's happened?
Why your leg wey dey pain you?
Babes, I pulled it off. Hey, wala de opo.
You pulled what off?
Una dey wear pampers. Una just get sense, una no wise. Wetin happen na? So as a big rich like this, na go just go gym, go break leg. Wetin I go do there? I go fight wrestling, abi I go carry rock.
Wait, so you no break this leg?
Break which leg, babes? Everything was acted. As in fake fall, fake injury.
I don't understand. You're just acting. You didn't break your leg at all.
I had to use this means to catch what I want. Fake fall, fake injury. Purpose: to catch this ravishing, dashingly, lovishing, amazingly, to get him in my bed and hold him tight. Hey, what I do? In a shock now.
How you no go shock us because of? Can you imagine? I beg you, my phone. I drop phone because of you.
I wanna dey vex now.
For your mind now, you be sharp operator.
No, so I carry 5 man come as una dey vex.
No, for your mind now, everything smooth. Wait till you do smooth.
See that guy?
That's my mind fly.
No, but didn't you see him? That guy
I didn't worry.
Calm
Wait,
down.
don't stress me.
See, if I get to find out that this guy is rich after our first date, babes, the only place where Kasala go dey be say, if I follow and come out, I can't find out say money no dey. I delete. But my babe, if the money is there, we die there. I may una smile now, be happy for me now. Judas is carrot. Now one betray me.
I make our hearts they skip because you won't catch me.
Baby, gonna rest.
F.O. Do you really wanna play this dirty game? I give you my battle.
You said meeting her was the easiest part. How?
Seems the rich built the roasts as we dey talk am for university.
You must be exaggerating.
I am not. I am not exaggerating at all. The rich and pretty girls are sometimes the most lonely. Someone told me this some time ago, and it is indeed the truth. And it seems that is of Sonia's case.
Have you had sex with her already?
Nah. But if what I observed is anything to go by, man, it will not be long, it will happen. I mean, imagine in less than a minute I walked into the gym, she was lost over me, to the extent of faking a fall and leg injury. I pretended not to notice all that until the fake fall happened. In an instant, I became a professional body massager and a bone setter.
A professional body massager and a bone setter?
Well, I had to help her perfect whatever game she was playing by giving her the idea. A lady with a strained ankle who got soothing touches from a dude like me, who claimed the professional bone setter and the massager instantly. If she will call someone for a follow-up of her treatment, who do you think she will go for? If tomorrow she needs another body massage and bone setting, who do you think she will contact? Listen, if she does not call me within 2 days for any of this, then I have lost touch with my psychology class back in the university. Trust me.
Wow. Interesting. Interesting outing. Interesting setup. Interesting projection. Please don't forget my own end of the parole if and when you hit it deep with her.
I will not. Don't worry. Like I always say, I got you.
I got you too, bro.
I got you. Man, these things are not easy.
But when you find out now,
keeping up with Andy is not easy.
we did job with that.
F.O. Do you really wanna play this dirty game? I give you my battle.
Hello, Sonia. How you doing? Yeah, sorry I've not been able to call. I've been busy taking care of some business deal. Right. So how is your leg? I hope it's fine now. Alright. Tell your friends to do it for you. Both of them are out of town? Aha. Alright, I'll be there in a jiffy. Just give me some minutes, I'll be there. Okay? Alright. This is another game she's playing to get me over to her house when she's alone. I see. Lady get me stressed. You don't jam the game master. That is the fox versus the squad. Go now see the go now. Make nobody run no. Anybody will run him, mama.
One lecha, na na na. Do you wanna fist of me? Do you wanna feel my touch? I will give you my body. A fist of ore. Do you really wanna play this dirty game? I give you my body. My body.
What? Oh my God. It is this serious, honey? What did you say is the problem?
I don't know. I don't know what the problem is exactly, but I actually thought it was because I had a stressful day after unpacking some new products that came into the boutique yesterday with my staff. I decided to stay home today, but I noticed it has developed into a fever.
No. What I am saying is not good at all. Listen, you need an urgent attention. Let me take you to the hospital. All right? Stand up.
No. The thing is that the fever is actually gone.
Okay.
It's just the body strain that is getting worse.
Okay,
the fever is fine.
You need body massage?
Yes. Listen, I don't mind the fee, okay? I really need a massage.
Alright, so remove the wrapper so I can just fix it straight up, alright? Sorry.
No, listen.
I understand. Alright, so.
I'd rather we have it done in my bedroom. Yes,
In your bedroom?
Is anything wrong? Listen, I have a better body massage platform in the bedroom, and the massage cream, everything you need is in the bedroom as well, so I would rather we go to the bedroom.
Alright, so let's go.
Okay.
Alright.
Oh my God!
Sorry.
My body strain is just...
I know, right? Easy, okay?
Thank you. Can you just help me, baby?
Here you go. So.
Make it more fun. Thank you.
Yeah?
Yes, this way.
Alright.
Oh.
Okay, easy. You just take it easy.
Thank you.
Do you really wanna play this dirty game? I give you my body. My body.
Oh boy. Now you dey return my calls, abi? I wanted to give you an update now on Sonia. Yeah? Hey, Mama. Her green light was steady and beaming in a halogen fashion. And the train read the green light well. And as I'm talking to you, the train has passed through the Inakako station. And guess what? The station mistress was smiling and full of praises for the quality of the train engine. As I'm talking to you, the green light is not switching off anytime soon. Bah, not possible. Well, twice out of this world time on me. Well, 2 times out of this world time, man. Man, that was a real train passing through the Inakako station in that room, man. What a superb station she has there. What a superb station mistress she is. One day, I have you see.
So, girls, cheers to my luck.
Thank you.
Let's go. Yeah, right.
Cheers, baby.
Thank you. So this beautiful luck of mine.
Beautiful luck indeed. Like, it's so amazing. You know, like, amazing how everything just worked out smoothly for you.
I tell you, girl.
Like, the guy did not even suspect nothing. He doesn't know anything.
Nada.
Wow.
Nada.
Nothing at all. That we were even watching and listening to them while he was here.
No, wait a minute. You mean you guys were watching the whole time?
No.
Like,
Watch, hold on. We do watch. Let's tell you.
The moaning from the actor and the screaming and then protesting from the bed. We didn't see any proper action.
We didn't see nothing.
what the fuck? You girls are crazy, I swear.
The soundtrack mad.
My sister, the soundtrack supposed mad. That guy is damn good. More than I could imagine. The guy. I give a hand.
Correct. Wow. So, are you saying that this changes everything, like everything for you?
My sister, you know there's this smile for my face.
Plenty.
You don't see me smile like this in a long time.
Never.
You can bet your ass on that. You see this bus stop? Now my final parking lot is. Now my garage. I am well packed here. See,
I agree.
this dude is handsome. Bobo can get sense.
Another one.
Bobo know what's up. Bobo can sabi dig farm.
Hey, that one day.
Hey!
That one day.
The guy they dig ridges. From the hip to the flat. They dig ridges. And then when we got talking, I noticed that the guy is rich. And you know what the money they do me now? The guy is career oriented. He can't jam past of food. See the blend now. Who they run am?
Full package.
My sister, stop it. Stop it.
Why are you sounding like this is your last bus stop?
You say waiting, auntie. You know you're waiting. I talk before. I they speak Spanish. I say na my final garage be that. Auntie, I died there. As they see me so, my sister, I don't die there. Make una bury me. I don't need funeral. Make una just they sing for me. In fact, let me officially make my appointments for my wedding. So, my darling Yvonne, you will be my chief bridesmaid.
No.
And my darling here, as the wedding planner in
Oh my God.
No, I don't like my job title. You know, my title at the wedding will be Wedding Executive Chief of Staff.
Auntie, shut up. I even managed put you for chief planner. Because I know since you did now, the only thing where you go now to carry Igbo meat inside people food made them.
You better make she know me planner. You go enter our food.
I dey tell you,
People
she
go
go
hide
come
go
miss
out.
Igbo inside food.
Big
Igbo with jollof.
The hustle is real. So when I wake in the morning, the first thing that pops in my head, now the hustle. So let's go there. Let's go there. Now the hustle. Now the hustle. Let's go there.
Yo.
Welcome, sir.
Hey, Greg. How you doing?
Hi, sir.
All right. Ladies. Hello, ladies. Hey, baby. Tricia and Yvonne. Welcome to my home.
Nice. Wow. Wow. I mean, this is an architectural edifice. This is beautiful.
You can say that again, Sonia. I mean, it's like a combination of aesthetics and class.
Aesthetics?
Wow.
I agree with you. It shows a lot about the quality of your taste, sir.
Anyways, I'm glad you guys are impressed. All right?
I am.
Okay, so let's head inside.
We definitely want to see what you have.
The hustle is
Do you have anything like
when I wake in the morning, the first thing that pops in my head, now the hustle. So let's go there. Let's go there. Now the hustle. Now the hustle. Let's go there. Let's go there.
Man, there we are. People of world.
my
Okay.
goodness?
Ladies.
Okay.
Seats.
Well, this is it. I mean, final confirmation.
Huh?
This is beautiful.
What?
Oh, I meant that you are a man of class.
See.
You understand what I mean?
It's okay.
All right.
Make yourself comfortable.
Okay, thank you.
Sit.
Thank you.
You're welcome once more. And I just want to say, what do I offer you?
No, nothing. I mean, we're filled already. Thank you.
Yeah, I mean, you've overfed us with everything. Food, drinks. I mean, what have you not given us?
Anyway, darling, yes, you have. You know, I actually allow them to follow us here because this is my first time in your house. Normally what we do, we all go out together on our first outing to a man's house. You know, it's our own little way of looking out for each other. Yeah. Right, girl?
Yeah, right.
Wow. You are really like sisters. More than friends. All right? That's another impressive positive about you.
Thank you. You know, as a matter of fact, an Uber operator is almost here to take them to our
Oh, is he already?
No, he's almost here.
No. Listen, I have so many guest rooms in my house, so...
No, sir. Actually, it's a policy amongst us that we don't overcrowd each other's space, especially in outings like this. Yes, because, I mean, we've seen you, we're here, and we're sure that our girl is good. So we'll just go, allow you guys explore each other, you know, and just build on what you have going on already.
Yeah, that's true. We wouldn't want to further stay here with you guys. You know, that would be distraction. Oh, you get the word.
Well, I am not complaining, honey. Are you complaining?
Well, I think I would have to go with them on this one.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, if they want to go, it must be on my own time.
On your own terms.
Yes. Listen, nobody steps into my house and leaves without taking something. Nah. it does not happen. Well, I already know your preferences, and the chilled ones are in my room, so. Okay, so I get it real quick.
Why don't I help you out? It's fine, I could,
Hey, a deep vow. I beg my queen to allow me serve her this first time in my house. All right? I'll be with you in a jiffy.
All right, I don't mind an ashtray.
What were you thinking? What were you thinking?
Oh, big fish. This is a shark, not a fish. Listen, girls. When I said final confirmation earlier, you girls know me. I don't indulge in ideal innuendo. You see, whatever is going on right now, it's definitely going to end in some beautiful place, and that place is the altar.
Of course. Please, let's practice our walk now, please. Let's practice our walk.
But really, I am here to take you. I mean, look at this. This guy is made already. Girl. Is it giving?
That's my girl.
In fact, this place is not enough. I'm locking in here. This is the best place. This is where I'm going to park.
I am going to lock.
Now, what I have to do.
Beauty, money, class. I have them. Same with Sonia. How come that when it comes to dating, she has always met the right dudes and easily hit it off with them? That's the one thing that, as much as I try to do, and I've done all my adult life, I have never gotten it right. I've never met the right guy to build a stable relationship with. That's one thing Trisha and I have failed woefully in over the years. We've been wrong girls since we were 18 years. But same was Sonia. And now that marriage is the biggest thought occupying our minds, she, again, is the one who is getting it right amongst us. Look at that rich, smart and handsome dude she hooked up for herself without even much stress. And from the way she has been smartly playing her cards with him, they will be saying I do soon. And then I'll be her chief bridesmaid, as she already said. And that would be my 13th time as a wedding chief bridesmaid. Am I born to do it for others and never have someone to do it for me? Why will I ever be the bride and someone else my bridesmaid? No, I cannot let your luck continue, Sonia. You can continue to shine. I will marry before you and Trisha. I must. It is my time. And Andy will be the man. Yes, this your Andy. Wrong? Who cares? The game to make it possible has just begun. And the squad will surely never be the same again.
I give you my body, my body.
You know, when I looked at the car, I'm like, this car looks very familiar.
Yeah, what are you doing here? I mean,
I was actually trying to book an Uber taxi that will take me back home.
an Uber?
Yeah.
What happened to your car?
My car is bad. I actually left it at the repair shop and they said it will be ready much later in the day. So I just want to go home and chill for now.
Oh, wow. Okay, then hop in. Let me drop you off.
No, please, no. I don't want to disturb your schedule for the day at all. Please, I'll be fine. My house isn't far from here, you know.
Come on, I am okay with that. Come.
Oh, really? Are you sure about this? I really don't want to be a bother.
Of course. Get in.
All right then, no problems.
Or do you really wanna play this dirty game? I give you my battle. One litre, 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 one litre. One litre, one litre, one litre, one litre. Do you wanna fist of me? Do you wanna feel my touch? I will give you my body. A fist of ore. Do you really wanna play this dirty game? I give you my battle. One litre, 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 one litre of ore. Do you really wanna play this dirty game? I give you my battle. One litre, 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 one litre. One litre, one litre, one litre. Do you wanna fist of me? Do you wanna feel my touch? I will give you my body. A fist of ore. Do you really wanna play this dirty game? I give you my battle. One litre, one litre, one litre, one litre.
Hey, yo. Here you are. You're home.
Yes, so thank you. Thank you so much for the ride.
No, it's okay. It's fine.
So do you mind coming in for a glass of brandy? You know, something, wine? I don't know what your preference is.
I know. It's okay. I have to go back to,
really, you don't have to object. I mean, these are things we do with each other's guests. Like, we do this for one another. Okay? And if you're worried about Sonia, don't worry. She wouldn't have issues with this at all. Trust me. I know she's not in town. I agree she's not in town. But even if she gets to know, she'll be fine with it. Trust me.
Hey, listen, I am now madly in love with Sonia. Alright? In fact, I'm considering her a future wife.
Oh my God.
And then, throwing you inside would be inappropriate.
No, it wouldn't be. I mean, what I just heard now, this is something we should drink to. I'm not telling her because I know you plan to propose, but we're all happy about this. Just come in. Okay, I know what your problem is. You don't want her to have issues with you. Let me call her. You'll hear her. You'll hear her tell you to just follow me inside.
It's okay.
I'm about to dial her number.
No, don't worry. I believe if you can do this.
No, yeah, let me just call her. It's fine.
It's okay. I believe what you said about such hospitality to your guests, being you girls style, including friends to each other. All right. So, hey, I will follow you inside, but I'm gonna spend just 10 minutes.
That's perfectly fine.
All right.
Oh my God, I can't believe you're getting married to my girl.
Let's go. Hey.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Cheers.
Cheers. Wow. I'm really impressed. Yes. Impressed by the drive and the foresight in you ladies. I mean, the focus is top notch without the dependence on men, as is the case in today women. I mean, nice.
Thank you.
Nice.
Thank you. But, I mean, depending on men, how many men would ravage you sexually before you can become as economically viable as my friends and I are? I mean, that would be like 1,000 million self. Oh, seriously, my friends and I are not cut out for all those cheap, self-abusing routes to success. We work hard, we work really hard.
Yeah, well, you do not even need to. Hey, prostitution, they say, is 1,000 years old profession. Yet, there has never been a record of a female billionaire who made it through prostitution.
No, never.
All right. So, the successful ladies have always been the smart, intelligent, the focused, and hardworking ones.
Oh, yes. And when you're speaking of that, you're speaking of my friends and I. Because my friends and I are typical examples of focused, smart, hardworking ladies. And that's what a feminist should be. That is what feminism is about. A feminist shouldn't be someone who goes about depending on her man. Any feminist that depends on her man for survival and sustenance, that person is nothing but a lousy noise maker. Yeah.
Say it loud. Listen, I can lend you another microphone so you can spread the message to the world.
No, I don't need it. I think my voice is loud enough for everyone to hear.
All right, I see.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh boy. I mean, what did you add to the drink you gave to me?
Why don't you just relax, let go of every fear, and just enjoy this food, okay? Eat it.
Which food?
This food. This one right in front of you.
Listen, what did you put into my drink?
Nothing harmful.
I just want to know what you put in my drink. That's all.
Okay, sex steroids. But you have to stop asking questions and just come to me. Eat this food.
But, Sonia...
Okay, here. Can you want more of this?
Oh my God. Hello, boy.
And Auntie Sonia gave me this to keep for you.
Sonia? Yeah. What's that? Open it. Oh, pepper soup? Nice. Alright, so where is she?
She said her phone was stolen. She rushed off. Immediately she gave me the pepper soup to keep for you. She said she was going to block her phone line and secure her bank account.
Oh, okay. No wonder I've not been able to reach her for the past 2 hours.
Oh.
Anyways, it's okay.
Oh,
Thank you. No, don't worry. Thank you.
Alright, welcome, sir.
Alright.
I don't want to get into the water, sir.
What did I do?
Stop.
Okay. You just...
It's a lie.
Tricia, why are you dialing my number as if you know it's me and Sonia this weekend. You know about it, so why are you? Are you suggesting that I... Trisha, you must be. You are mad. Trisha. Okay, get you to a Google. Call him and name. Call his Araka no bonnet butoya.
Do you really wanna play this dirty game? I give you my body. One letter. The hustle is real. So when I wake in the morning, the first thing that pops in my head. Now the hustle. So let's go there. Now the hustle.
What's the idea? God, please, not again. Never mind. Yvonne, that's a crazy idea. But Yvonne, you can't. Okay, I'll tell you when I'll come over. Hey, God, what is this girl turning this into? Eh? I mean, I just managed to lie to Sonia so I can go and be with Tricia. And here, Yvonne has popped up with this crazy demand and threats. What? Could it be that these girls are collaborating to mess me up? God, please help me. This racket is becoming something else that I do not want to make any mistakes. I do not want a repeat of Erica. Wow. So the package no easy.
This second round, I love it so much. I can't wait for the third round. What? You know, the third round. What? It's gonna be the best of the best.
Hold on. Hey, can you stop, Trisha? Hold what?
Babe, you heard me. The third round. You're going to give me the third round before you return to Sonia. Unless I'll follow you home.
Trisha, please. We're crying out loud.
Don't argue with me.
Can you stop right now?
Don't argue with me, babe. Don't argue. You know I paid for this room for the entire weekend. Every day of the weekend. Just 3 rounds per day. I don't care if your blocker stops functioning when you go and meet Sophia. It's going to be just for me. I don't care. Okay? I don't give a damn.
See,
I don't care.
Listen to me, Trisha, you're being selfish.
Oh, selfish.
Yes.
Babe, shh.
Can you stop right now?
Too much, babe.
Hold on, please.
Babe, please. He's hungry. Babe,
Wanyaka.
babe, enough talk already. Too much talk. Let's just get on with it.
Why are you self?
Too much. Let's just do the third round.
What? Stop this.
Let's just do it. Let's just do the third round, baby. Fuck me to heaven, baby. Fuck me to heaven.
What's this now?
So that I will forget
Stop.
my name.
Hey,
Fuck me till I forget my memory.
Can you stop now?
Fuck me till I have no memory of who I am. Fuck me till not baby.
3 rounds with Trisha daily, 2 with this witch and many more with Sonia back home for 3 long days. What a weekend. What a sexual vicious circle. This is definitely not what I bargained for. I set out to play them and dupe them. Now it seems they are the one playing me right, center, and left. No, not anymore. Put your acts together, Andy. Focus and regain the initiative. Focus.
I was about coming to your end regarding the 2-week trip we have to Budukato Ranch. And here you are in my place unannounced, without your luggage.
Well, something came up. I couldn't wait to tell you.
So you are cancelling the trip?
Well, on the contrary, I couldn't think of a better way to celebrate the news I'm about to break to you than such an exotic trip.
News?
Yes.
Okay.
Come on, we're not fighting. Put a smile on your face. I just said news and I am excited. You should be excited. Come on. Yes. Yes.
You are getting me curious.
Oh, now you're killing the vibe. Anyways, I'm going to break the news to you. Take a good look at me. Do you notice anything different about me?
No.
Really? Well, it's probably too early, so... Okay, just calm down. Calm down. I am pregnant! I am so...
What? You are pregnant?
Yes, I am. I thought you'd be excited about it. Is anything wrong? Andy, you need...
Hey, please don't follow me.
What? Auntie? Aunt? I thought he would be excited about you. He hasn't said that he loved me, and I thought he said he loved me. Why is he not excited about this? Did I break the news in the wrong way? Maybe I should have said it some other... No, I said it the right way. Why is he not happy? So, and he was...
Hey. Stop.
Did I do something wrong? I thought you'd be excited. Or did I?
I want you to marry.
I'm sorry. I'm just excited. Okay, calm down. Okay, say it again so I could answer you properly. Oh my God.
Sonia, will you marry me?
Yes, I'll marry you. Of course I'll marry you. No, this one. Yeah, no. Okay, yes. Oh my God. Oh my freaking goodness. Thank you. Oh my God. This is so good.
All right.
This is beautiful.
Thank you.
Thank you too. And I love you. Thank you, baby. Oh my God. My girls are gonna go crazy. Thank you so much.
The only way I can forgive both of you and ask Sonia to forgive you too is that you agree that you will not interfere in our planned marriage. Not now, not later.
Wait, are you saying that you're still going to marry Sonia even after all?
Yes, I knew from minute one in that gym that she found me very attractive sexually. And I also sensed that she faked the ankle injury. I am neither a professional massager nor a bone setter. Yes, I had to play along with her game of seduction. And like her, I found her sexually attractive too. And then I wanted to have fun with her. Same in your case, Yvonne. I knew you stalked me for 4 days and then placed yourself where I can pick you up that day. I also knew that there was nothing wrong with your car. See, you, Tricia, and I saw the CCTV footage where you were bribing my gate man. And that was why I did not eat the pepper soup like you thought. It's not you. You see, both of you offered me yourselves cheaply.